welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take a quick pause from all things Christmas and try out this balloon archway kit from Amazon. This kit came with everything you would need to set up a balloon arch, from clips to water bag weights to the balloon tape, strips, and glue dots. The only thing I needed to buy was the balloons. I have done a few parties now and wanted to try this new 2-in-1 archway kit that can either be 2 balloon stands or an archway between 5 to 8 feet tall. I feel like personally I would love to use this as 2 separate stands. But for today's review, I wanted to put it to the test, so I will try to make the archway to help decorate for a party being thrown later. In case you're interested, this product is from Amazon, so I will have it linked below. It really does make balloon decorating so much easier with the clips they provided and the water bags for weights. I don't think anyone could really mess this up. Everything is included to make your life easy. If you are new and seeing this channel for the first time, or maybe you stumbled over here for this review, take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of DIY projects for all things, decorating or holidays, theme parties, and even just trying to keep things organized. So subscribe below to see all the new things happening over here. Now let's get these balloons filled, and I will give my final thoughts after setting this archway up. the end, I can easily say I'll be using this balloon kit again. The stands are super easy to set up, and with the reusable balloon clips, it would make party setups go so much quicker. For the archway part, I would love to play around with it more and be able to see the different heights and configurations that can be made. It was just a little cold outside now in November to try and do all of that, but I do plan on using this again for many things. I even have some Christmas decorating ideas too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week for more Christmas decorating. See ya!